lang tayong lahat. Sino bang kumausap sa'yo una? Sino bang lumapit? Si Moy yun. Hindi mo ba nakita yung pagiging totoo ni Moy sa'yo noon? Kaya kay Aubrey ka sumama or si Aubrey is, alam nating Aubrey Miles, sikat. Kumbaga, pag sa kanya ka dumikit, mas pag-uusapan ka ng tao.
Hindi, wala sa akin yung sikat siya at si Moy hindi sikat. Paano ko ba umpisahan to?
Kasi ikaw lagi nagsasabi nga, pagkakaibigan, di ba? Pero, yun nga, lalaki sa lalaki na tanong, masasabi mo ba talaga na wala ka sariling desisyon at sumunod ka lang talaga sa sinasabi ni Aubrey, sa lahat?
Pare, ito. Pinaglaban ko na ayokong ikaw ang sunod dahil nakapagbigay ako ng pangako sa'yo. Sa isa pa, hindi lang basta sa Survivor dahil kaibigan kita. Nakita mo naman nung endurance challenge, alam ko na iniintay nilang lahat na ikaw umayaw ka. Pero andun na eh. Umayaw ka na. Sino natira para lumaban kay Aki? Para naguguluhan ako na tutuparin ko yung pangako ko sa'yo. Alam mo na iniisip nila, bakit ayaw pang bumitaw ni Ervic? Kung alam ko naman sa sarili ko na safe ako, saka pasok na dun sa game plan ng alliance namin. Lumaban ako, pare. Lumaban ako dahil gusto ko tayo iligtas. Pero andun na yung aminin ko sa'yo, naging selfish ako na sinabi ko, sana papatawad mo na lang ako kung sasama na lang ako sa kanila na sumunod na lang ako sa boto nila.
Hindi masama loob ko. Kumbaga, yun lang, kay Ervic lang, medyo parang na-disappoint lang ng konti. Pero sa inyo, well, yun. So, good luck and sana, yun lang. Focus na ako.
Ang huling jury na magsasalita at maaring magtanong, John.
Everyone says don't take it personally. You made it personal. When you brought my name up yesterday, and you said if John was here, you said that I would play dirtier than anybody here.
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
In the game.
No, I know. Why do you say that? I didn't say back home.
Because I know you can play this.
Don't act like you know me.
No.
When was I with you? 2003.
I'm just saying.
Exactly.
You
don't know me.
You can play this.
Don't say that. Don't say, you can't sit there and say that you know how I'm going to play the game. Out of anyone here, out of 18 people, the only one that could have taken Aki and Mama Elma to the end and won 3 million is me. Regardless if you don't like me, regardless if you think I'm a bad guy. No, I'm not asking you. I'm telling you, regardless, if you like me or not, if you think I'm a nice guy or not, I don't from the very beginning. I'm tired of watching Survivor and watch people that don't deserve it make it to the end and win the money. And you agreed with me. And I said, I want to take the people that deserve it to the end. If I don't win, at least I know the person that does win really, really deserves it. She's one of them. And she's in the jury right now. And you, what did you do to win the 3 million? When I was with Nagar, we were undefeated. First place, everything, until you came along. You were useless. You did nothing for me. You did nothing for our tribe. You think that you deserve 3 million or to be called the sole survivor because you stood on a pole for 11 hours out of 36 days? That's the question. Oh, yes? Yeah. You're out of your mind. You came here because you said you have something to prove. You want the title? Huh? You're tired of being called Ding Dong and Marimar? Huh? You wanted to prove everyone you have your own identity? You have a name for yourself? And what'd you do? You wrote her back? You didn't do anything for yourself?
Yun yung iniisip mo.
No, that's what I know. That's what everyone knows. That's what everyone's gonna know after the show. I'm done.
Final four, jury members, oras na para bumoto sa ikapitong miyembro ng ating jury. Ang Final Four magiging Final 3 ngayong gabi.